Hello, hello! Magandang araw sa lahat! Kamusta guys? Gerard Claudio here. Kamusta ang mga ka-network marketer? Kamusta kayo guys? How's your business? And matagal din ako na hindi nakapag-live dito. Kaya right now magla-live ako. Okay. This is, dapat magpapahinga na ako kasi bukas umaga pa ako. Pero sabi ko hindi, magla-live ako right now kasi para at least may content ako sa mga naghihintay sa akin dito. Anyway, my name is Gerard Claudio. Welcome po sa mga if it's your first time pong mag-follow sa akin, okay lang po ba pa-type diyan sa my chat first time? And welcome po sa ating page. For those po na hindi alam, I am an active network marketer. And natutuwa po ako sa industry na to. It has a lot of ups and downs, of course. Hindi po ito perfect na industry. But more importantly, this industry has taught me a lot for the past several years na involved po ako dito. Dati po akong seaman and then dati po akong OFW na because of the network marketing industry, naka-retire ako for good. And it's been an amazing journey for the past decade po na nandito ako sa business na to. I've learned a lot. I learned more about human relation, nature ng tao. I learned to spot people na our potential for those people who are just, alam mo yun, sabi nga nila prospect versus prospect. I learned how to close deal. I learned how to negotiate. I learned how to control my emotion. I learned how to motivate people. I learned how to I learned a lot in this industry. Gusto ko lang sabihin yung part na yun, no? And somehow this is connected po sa magiging topic ko tonight. Worth it bang gawin ang network marketing? And a lot of you are listening to me right now and you might say, Jared, maganda na naman yung income ko, maganda na ko. Or maybe some of you are here and say, may negosyo na rin naman ako. Bakit pa ako magda-network marketing? It might have a lot of risk. It might pertain a lot of, it might give me, alam mo yun, parang mas madami pa yung magiging effort ko dyan. Dito na lang ako. Nothing against it. Okay? If you are right now, meron kang magandang, ano ba yan? Paano ko ba sabihin? Meron kang magandang trabaho, meron kang magandang buhay right now. Or maybe nakikinig ka sa akin on the other side, Jared, paano ako mag-network marketing? Wala na akong time ibibigay dyan kasi focus ako sa mas mahalagang bagay. Ano mo yun? So, gusto ko lang sagutin yung tanong dito right now. Nakikinig ka sa akin right now. Worth it ba siyang gawin? Kung magbibigay ako ng effort sa network marketing, worth it ba siya? Yun lang guys ang pinakatanong na kailangan mong sagutin. Etong tanong na to. Hindi ko mahal ang products, kaya bang, ano mo yun, yayaman ba ako dito? Yung kumpanya ginagawa ko, worth it ba to? Hindi yun yung tanong eh. But worth it bang gawin ang network marketing? For its value and for the potential of the business, worth it ba siya? Sa proseso na dadaanan mo. Yun ang gusto kong sagutin sa video na to. Okay, so kaya ako nasabi kanina na dati po ako OFW, maganda naman po talaga ang trabaho namin sa barko. Magandang sahod, magandang benefits, lahat po ng pwedeng benefits sa isang empleyado talagang binigay po ng kumpanya namin. So wala po akong issue sa company namin. So bakit ko to sinasabi sa inyo? Kasi ang gusto ko lang i-emphasize is, marami sa atin dito, iniisip mo, kapag nag-network marketing ba ako, baka mas maraming trouble kaysa sa maraming benefit. Ayoko mag-network marketing kasi mas maraming emotional journey dyan kaysa sa reward. In short, people are looking at the disadvantages and the price rather than the reward. So kaya, ang tanong lang dito is, kung mag-e-engage ka ba dito sa negosyong ito, masasabi mo ba kung babalikan mo siya na buti na lang nag-decide ako or baka magsisi ka? Alam mo yun? Alam ko nandun sa level na, lalo na kung maybe first time mo sa industry na to, maybe marami dito nakikinig, kaka-join mo lang, o baka meron sa inyo dito, sinabi na e-commerce, dropshipping, tapos nagulat ka, networking pa lang itong pinasok ko, di ba, nagulat ka, ngayon, sige, tuloy ko na lang, nandito na rin naman ako, alam mo yung ganun, which is somehow I don't agree with that, no, and anyway, pero gusto kong sabihin to, in a sense, this is what I wanted to emphasize to you. Yun yung pinakatanong na tinanong ko sa sarili ko bago ako talagang tinodo tong business na to. And I never look back the moment I found my answer. So straight answer, this is my personal opinion as a network marketer for more than 10 years. Straight answer, yes, super worth it na gawin ang business na to. And let me give you some reasons why. Okay, the first one, ready na po ba kayo? The first one, bakit worth it gawin ang business na to? Dahil ang pinaka-reward mo dito is just more than just the monetary reward. Network marketing will expose your weaknesses and need to improve aspect ng buhay mo. In fact, network marketing can be the avenue na kung saan ma-expose yung character mo bilang tao. Kaya marami po dito na hindi tumatagal o hindi umaasenso sa business na to or umaasenso man sila sa tingin ng tao pero sa totoo, hindi pinsa, hindi naman talaga kasi marami silang mga character na hindi maayos. Hindi mapagkatiwalaan. There are those people who say different thing and do different thing. There are people who are complainers. There are people who are self-entitled. Maraming ganun. So na-expose yung ano. Bakit ko sinabing worth it siya? Kasi guys, kung meron ka mang isang bagay na isa sa mga pinaka-profitable na bagay na mangyari sa buhay mo right now is ma-expose yung kailangan mo ma-develop. There are so many people, they're starting to question kung bakit hindi ako nag-grow sa buhay? Bakit pa paano ako mag-grow? Eh, you are on the environment where you are not challenged to grow. Where you are not challenged or hindi na-expose yung mga kailangan mo ma-develop. Nung nag-network marketing na ako, na-expose yung fear ko na ma-reject. Na-expose yung seeking for approval ko, kaya hindi ako nagbebenta. Alam mo yung ganun? Never sold before ako nag-network marketing. Sa network marketing, na-expose yung impatience ko. Sa network marketing, na-expose yung pride ko. Sa network marketing, na-expose yung laziness, complacency, lack of system when it comes to handling money. Ang daming na-expose personally sa akin. And at first, in the beginning, pag itong mga bagay na-expose sa akin, hindi siya madali. Pero that was one of the worth it thing na nangyari sa akin sa business na to. And I'm saying this kasi hindi man siya, it might not look beneficial in the beginning. Pero kung i-allow mo yung sarili mo na okay, ito pala yung mga kailangan kong baguhin. On off pala ako. Hindi pala ako marunong humawak ng oras ko. And you decide today na I will never remain the same in the next couple of years. I'll tell you, doon palang worth it na yung decision mo na pumasok ka sa network marketing. So that's the first one. It will challenge you. It will expose your weakness. It will expose your character. It will expose your core value. I was shocked. I know network marketers na sinasabi nila, Coach, ngayon wala nang moral value, wala nang core value dito pinag-uusapan. Basta pera na lang pinag-uusapan. So para sa kanila, ang pinakamahalaga sa kanila mamera. Basta may pera ako kahit na wala na akong character. Forget about character, forget about integrity, forget about core value. Basta may pera lang ako. Alam mo, nakakatakot dumating sa ganong punto na tinitingnan natin yung buhay natin sa pera lang. Nakakatakot, paniwala kayo sa akin. As in, think about that for a moment. That there are people who are engaged in this business na iniisip nila, it's all about money. It's all about money. Pera lang nandito ako dahil sa pera. So, I will use other people for me to gain money. I'll be dishonest. I will lie for the sake of money. Nako nyo, like it's really a little bit scary to work with those people. But anyway, sinasabi ko to kasi it exposes your character, it exposes your flaw, it exposes what you need to improve. So if you're gonna ask me right now, it's ugly in the beginning, but that's one of the most beneficial part of building network marketing. Type nyo nga agree kung agree kayo sinasabi ko. Okay, maybe some of you are listening to me right now, diba? And sabi mo yes, sabihan mo ako. Yan, diba? So yun yung una. Yun yung pinakaunang benefit ng network marketing. Okay? Number two. The second thing na advantage ng network marketing is you get to have the skills of connecting, building, and nurturing relationship. Yes, sales skills nandun na yun eh. Yung magpo-prospect ka, mag-invite ka, personal branding, alam yung mga ganun. Leadership. But generally, sa network marketing, kapag pumasok ka, ang isa sa ma-develop mo at kailangan mo ma-develop para maging successful ka dito, is kailangan guys, yung ability mo na makipaghalubilo sa ibang tao. Sa mga nandito nakikinig, ang sasabihin mo, hindi kasi introvert ako eh. Guys, eto lang sabihin ko ang pagiging introvert is no excuse to deal with people. You got to understand one thing. You and I were developed by the Lord, kinreate tayo ng Panginoon guys, to be social beings. Hindi po kinreate ang tao para mag-isa. An isolated person is not an ideal position for a person to live. Sasabihin, hindi, ako, nasa bahay lang ako, taong bahay ako, nanonood lang akong TV ito. Hindi ako nakikipag-deal sa mga tao. Okay, nagets ko yung ganung point eh. Pero, To think na nabuhay ka para sa sarili mo lang. Hindi, ayoko makabagdil sa tao kasi ma-hurt lang ako, ma-offend lang ako, mga tao, masakit sa ulo. Oo, nandun na tayo. Pero, yes, there is a risk of being hurt. There is a risk of being betrayed. Alam mo, kung meron ako isang bagay na pinaka masakit na experience ko sa buhay, lalo na sa network marketing, betrayal guys, betrayal. But that was the risk. That was the cost of loving and being concerned with other people. And for me, na-realize ko in the beginning, I was really hurt. Pero realize ko, sabi ko, sandali, it strengthens me as a person. It highlights my character. Na at least ako nagstay. At least ako naging committed sa sinabi ko. Buti na lang may ganun pa akong character. Na-highlight ko. Yes, I was betrayed. I was left. Alam mo yung ganun. But it highlighted my character. It developed my capacity to be connected with people. So the first one, the benefit one ng network marketing, it's because it will expose your character. Number two, it will help you develop your ability to connect with people, which is so important, guys. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Huwag kayong maniniwala sa mga nakikita nyo na okay lang hindi makapaghabulog-bilog. Hindi po. Kaya daming nade-depress right now sa buhay. Yes, we have social media and all these contents and all this connect. Ito, may mga ganito tayong social platform. You might watch this here in Facebook. You might watch this on YouTube, Pinoy MLM Taxes by Gerald Claudio. You might hear this sa Spotify, Pinoy MLM Taxes by Gerald Claudio. These are social platforms where you can consume content. And there are also platforms where you can connect with people. Pero, hindi tayo design guys na isolated. Kahit hindi ka mag-network marketing, I hope dumating ka sa point ng buhay mo na matanggap mo na hindi ka pwedeng mag-isa lang sa buhay. Hindi tayo dinesign ng Panginoon na mag-isa. So in network marketing, you're gonna learn that. You will learn how to deal with people. You learn how to be patient with people. You learn how to forgive people. You learn how to identify people who can trusted and who cannot be trusted. You can identify people who will be working with you and not be working with you. You can identify people who will just be using the product and just sell the product, or will be business builders. You will have those eyes in this business. I'll tell you, this is really an amazing business. I hope mas makita mo yung benefit ng business na to. Okay? And number three, of course, the leverage income. Hindi ka pumasok sa network marketing para kumita ng malaki. Think about this for a moment. Kasi guys, sa totoo lang, kaya ko naman kumita ng malaki. Kaya kumita ng malaki. Pero hindi ako nandito para kumita ng malaki. Nandito ako para tuloy-tuloy yung pasok ng income. And there are a lot of people who enter network marketing na ang goal lang nila kumita ngayon. Guys, if you're just chasing sign-ups or pairing or volume, whatever how you're gonna call it in your network marketing business, mapapagod ka kasi maraming mga style ng pag-network na ginagawa, like kinakamada yung products, binibili yung volume sa baba, mga ganun. Pero hindi yun yung goal. Ang goal mo sa network marketing, kung ba't ka nag-network marketing, kasi gusto mo mas marami kang oras sa future. Tama ba? Agree ba kayo? The reason bakit ka nag-network marketing, kasi gusto mo mas marami kang oras. Tama ba? Type nyo agree kung agree kayo sinasabi ko. Right? So the goal here is to have enough cash flow na leverage income. Some people use the word passive income, but I'll be careful to use passive income. Let me use the word leverage so that you would know that you still need to work the process kahit solid yung business mo. Leverage income para mas mag-gain mo yung oras. So, nung nakita ko ang network marketing, hindi ko siya nakita na laki ng income kasi maayos naman talagang income ko sa barko before. The reason kung bakit na-amaze ako sa network marketing kasi yung idea na pwede akong kumita ng tuloy-tuloy na pumapasok yung income ko, not coming from a 100% of my effort. And you have to understand, kung nasa employment ka, kung nasa trabaho ka, kahit nga nasa freelancing ka or nasa no work, no pay ka na way ng pag-income, 100% ng oras mo is 100% your income. Okay? I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just describing it. Now, kung nasa employment ka right now na may 8 to 5 na job ka, my suggestion to you is, you find a way na kumita ka ng less of your effort pero kumikita ka ng tuloy-tuloy. At isa po sa mga platform na mapagbibigay sa inyo is network marketing. So paano ko mapapasok? Paano ko darating sa punto ng pagbibusiness ko na meron akong tuloy-tuloy na pasok na income? Well, there are several factors. Number one, you need to be in a good company. Okay? I mean, not all network marketing companies are created equal. Hindi po ako believer nandito ako sa amin kasi malakas dito, marami po join dito. I mean, that's not my basis. You need to be in a very good, decent company na alam mong pangmatagalan. Ako guys, pangmatagalan ang goal ko sa network marketing. Hindi ko alam sa inyo kung ano bang goal sa network marketing. Okay? I don't know. But for you, if your goal is to have a lifelong transferable legacy na business, hanap ng kumpanya na talagang tatagal sa market. Hindi yung tipong hindi mo alam kung tatagal bukas. Which means that's also a factor of community. Kailangan ang kultura sa loob ng kumpanya align sa kultura mo. Align sa value mo bilang tao. So totoo lang guys, ako tatanungin nyo, kung ang nag-invite sa akin, kung ano pinagagawa sa akin, halimbawa, oy post mo tong check kahit hindi totoo, nag-quit ako immediately. You will never make me violate my own core value just for the sake of money. Kasi ako naniniwala ako sa blessing ng Panginoon ng tamang ginagawang isang bagay. I'm not a believer of pera lang. Pera ang basis. Yaman ang basis. Kasi maraming mayaman dyan, maraming ginagawa. Maraming mayaman na hindi tamang ginagawa. At alam nyo yan, nakikita nyo sa news. So, hindi basis na mayaman siya. Okay to, kasi mayaman to. Hindi. Maraming mayaman na hindi tamang ginagawa. Pero, kung gusto nating yaman, yung binibless ng Panginoon. I'm a Christian by faith. I just would like to say this. I'm a Christian by faith. I will never violate my faith. I will never violate my core value just for the sake of money. Because I know the Lord will provide. Nakanya ba ako? So, company maayos, culture ng community na pinasok mo dapat maayos. Dapat align siya sa gusto mo. Now, may mga tao na gusto hype, gusto ng pa-cool, gusto ng gano'n. Yun yung values mo, eh, doon ka sumali, wala namang problema. Nakanya ba? Gusto mo yung pasikat, mga gano'n, eh, doon kayo sumali. Gusto mo yung mabilis, yung income, doon kayo. Alam mo yun, yung walang gagawin, kikita ka, position ka lang, doon kayo. Eh, yun yung values ninyo, di ba? Nag-gets yung ibig sabihin. So, dapat align siya sa values mo. Okay? And number 1, yung coach. Kailangan may coach ka na mag-guide sa'yo. Kasi when the excitement will drop, when the hype dropped, a person who has a very good community and a very good coach, you can navigate your network marketing basis way back, go back to the top. Yun yung akin. Kaya yung mentorship program ko sa mga network marketers, I have my own mentorship program sa mga network marketers, even outside, kahit iba't ibang companies yun. Okay? So, may nagpapamentor sa akin. So, it was so efficient, personally for me, napaka-efficient ng mentoring ko kasi I am giving them accountability na walang strings attached. Yes, you hire me to coach you, but there's no string attached. I'm not your upline. So I can say whatever I say with all honesty, with all love. So kailangan yun. But of course, if you want to join a network marketing company, you need to have a coach within that community as well. Okay? But anyway, so yun siya. Okay? So legacy business. Gusto ko yung transferable na business. I will never build anything, lalong-lalo na sa network marketing, na hype. No. Dito tayo kasi marami ditong nag-join, mga sikat na tao nag-join. No, I'm not gonna join. I'm not gonna do that, I'll tell you. Because long-term, lifelong ang business na gusto kong gawin. Okay? So, depende ko anong values mo. But then again, going back, is this business worth doing? The answer is yes. Because it will reveal the things that you need to improve if you're willing to. It will develop the most powerful skill, which is people skills. It will give you leverage income na mas pwede kang mag-spend ng time sa mga bagay na mahalaga. Basta mayroon ka maayos na company, maayos ang community ninyo, okay, that you can be proud of, that yung values ng community is maayos. And then meron kang coach na alam mong align sa values mo, na meron kang mag-guide along the way. So kung bago ka sa network marketing, you're confused paano gagawin, paano mag-invite and all. More than just inviting, I think you need to ask yourself, am I really in a company that is worth building? Am I really in a community that is aligned to my values? Kasi baka build ka ng build sa isang community, isang company na hindi naman alin sa gusto mong mangyari. Okay? I'm just saying that. Okay? So, but, general na statement. Yes, network marketing is one of the best business na pwede mong gawin. Basta gawin mo siya ng tama. Ulitin ko ulit, basta gawin mo ng tama with the right expectation, with the right mindset, with the right belief. Of course, develop mo yung skill set mo along the way. I always believe that network marketing is an amazing business to do. It makes you more human being. Basta gawin siya ng tama. I don't know if you gets mo. Type yung gets, type yung clear yung sinasabi ko kung nag-gets yung sinasabi ko. Tama ba? Agree ba kayo sinasabi ko, guys? O, tingnan natin dito yung mga natin dito. Hello, Regina Brown. Kamusta? Coach, anong marketing po na salihan mo? If okay lang po sabihin, if okay lang din. Dennis Mijares, message kita. Okay? I've been here for more than 10 years dito sa company na to. I built a specific system in place which is 100% online namin ginagawa. With I place automation, I have all these things, AI stuff. Now we have all that system in our team. So, yan. Mirasol, hello. Janice May Palma, Merly Amar, Minda Caballero, Jenna Pasman. Kamusta? Kamusta? Oh, Gorio Armani, kamusta? Kamusta? Kamusta kayo, guys? Alfred Gabrang, hello, hello. Kamusta kayo? Aisa Piang, kamusta? Yan, no? So, yun. G. Alfonso, hello, kamusta? Yan, kamusta kayo? So I'm saying all of this, hindi po madali ang network marketing. Hindi siya madali kasi ang pinakamahirap na baguhin dito is yung sarili mo. Gusto kong sabihin yun. Hindi hindi market ang pinakamahirap dito, guys. Anong ibig sabihin market? Hindi yung prospect ang mahirap. Ikaw ang pinakamahirap na i-deal dyan. Gagawin mo ang network marketing. Lalabas ka araw-araw at tatanungin mo yung sarili mo, willing ba ako magbago para umasenso sa business na to? And sad to say, maraming hindi willing magbago. Kaya people are jumping from one opportunity to another, looking for that silver bullet, looking for that secret recipe, and say, mali kasi yung kumpanya eh. Mali kasi yung puro lahat biniblame sa ibang tao. But the truth of the matter is, hanap sila ng opportunity na hinahanap nila, pero ang totoo is simply because they just don't want to change. So, ang pinakamahirap, guys, ang pinakamahirap na i-deal sa network marketing, hindi prospect, hindi downline, ikaw. It's you versus you. You look at yourself and say, these are the things I need to change. Am I willing to change? I'll tell you, network marketing is a worth it business if yung tamang mindset mo dito. You'll be a better person after this. If done right. Bakit ko sinasabing if done right? Because if you don't do this right, you will destroy people around you. You will even destroy yourself in the process. I've seen that over and over again. Network marketing is just a tool. It is a tool. Ikaw bahala kung paano mo siya gagamitin. I hope gamitin mo siya sa maayos. I hope gamitin mo siya na makatulong sa maraming tao. Hindi makasira. I hope gamitin mo siya para makatulong sa pamilya mo. Hindi sirain ang sarili mo pamilya. Alam mo, nakakatawa talaga, guys. Mag-iingat talaga kayo. Basta hindi tama sinasamaan mo. Iba-ibang prinsipyo ang tuturo sa inyo. Iba't ibang prinsipyo. Ako, I'm a Christian by faith. I know where I stand. So when I enter network marketing, I have a moral consciousness. Hindi po dahil sa nagmamataas ako. It's just that by God's grace, by God's grace, I want to do it that glorifies the Lord. And I understand that network marketing can be a platform where I can glorify the Lord. So ito yung akin. Hindi ko alam kung pareho tayo na nakikita. Okay? Gusto kong kumita. At the same time, may blessing ng Panginoon. Yun ang gusto ko sa network marketing ko na business. Ngayon ang tanong sa'yo, anong klaseng business ang gusto mo i-build? It's a question you need to ask. Now, going back. Anyway, sorry, paikot-ikot ako, no? Now, going back. Balik tayo. Worth it ba ang network marketing na gawin? Yes, worth it siya. Basta, gawin siya ng tama. Okay? So, yes, amen ko dyan. yes. So, if you find value into this, share mo tong video na to. And then, for those people na nagtatanong, Coach, I heard na may course ka. Yes, you check the link there. It's go ka sa pinoynetworker.org. If you haven't got that course, it's all tactics and strategy yun doon. Okay? All tactics and strategy yung nilagay ko doon. Punong-puno yun, guys. It's 10 modules, tapos may bonus ko na 10 modules pa. All tactics and strategy, easy to implement. Immediately may implement mo agad siya. I think first 2 modules pa lang may implement mo na agad siya. Okay? Go to pinoynetworker.org. pinoynetworker.org. Alright? So, if you find value to this, again, maraming salamat sa papanood. See you again in the next video. You guys are all amazing. Bye-bye.